What you doing? Where's your Bowie stick? What'd you do with your Bowie stick? There it is. You don't want it? So Nylabone is better. You sure you don't want the Bowie stick? It's a good Bowie stick, yeah, see? It's good. Yeah. No Bowie stick for you? No Bowie stick for you? Okay, what about this? What about the Bouncy Bone? The Bouncy Bone might be good. There you go. That looks like fun, doesn't it? It's got a Nylabone and treats. And a ball. You couldn't get a better toy than that, could you? No way. That's a good toy.